I just got a package. I know what it is, but y'all don't know what it is. So we're gonna open it. I'm super excited. Just go in here. Sit this down. I need to find something to open it with. Okay, so I'm super excited. Let me just tell you the backstory. So pretty much, I saw this bag on the Louis Vuitton website about a year ago, maybe around January, February 2018, and it was sold out at the time. So I would periodically go back and look to see if they had it. Never really found it. I would go on different other resale shop online stores, and I found some, but they were either used and overpriced, or they were new and just extremely overpriced. They were charging double and sometimes even triple for the price that Louis Vuitton was selling it for. So my friend kept telling me, she's like, call. She's like, call Louis Vuitton and ask them, can they find a store that may have it, or see if you can be put on a list. I really didn't do that. I mean, I don't know why I didn't, I just didn't. But then Friday, this past Friday, she sent me a text message with a post from someone on Facebook saying that they did call and they did have it available and they were able to purchase it. So I was on it immediately. I mean, she told me this last year, I just didn't do it. So I called them, I spoke to the guy, I told him what I was looking for, what color I wanted, and he said that they were out of stock, but I had two options. The first option was to continue to do what I was doing, which was wait until they got the stock, keep checking the website, and then go ahead and buy it that way, which was very, very rare to find because this is what they call a unicorn. They did not make a lot of these. Or the second option would be to pre-order it. So then when they do have it available, they can just go ahead and ship it to me. And he said this can take, 3 to 6 weeks. It could be less, it could be more, but if you pay for it, we'll make sure that we send it to you when we get it. Y'all, that was Friday. Monday, I got an email saying that my bag will be shipped in 24 hours. See, Louis Vuitton be playing little games. I think they have a stock stashed somewhere and they just holding on to it for whatever odd reason. But whatever. It's cool. Do what you do. But I got my bag. That's all that matters. I got my bag. Yay! Okay, so Louis Vuitton. Let's see what this says here. So this would be just a thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton and talks about the product and that you can visit them online. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Probably not. So I'll try to post a picture of it. We also have just my receipt and the Louis Vuitton exchanges and returns. I'm not returning this. I mean, I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not returning this. Oh, and it also return label. Honey, not returning. Not happening. I'm not returning this. Like, I have a Louis Vuitton makeup bag, which was a gift. I've never had a purse. Like, I begged my mother for her Louis purse, and she always told me no. And then she wound up giving it to my niece. Excuse me? But it's cool though. It's cool. This is my Louis Vuitton box. Can you get a drum roll, please? I ain't even seen the bag yet. Super excited. I'm super geeked. Pull this out. And so we have 1, 2, 3. This will be 4 bags. Nothing is in these bags. And the purse is the Multi Pochette Accessoires. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not sure. And here is my beautiful bag that I have been wanting for almost a year. Mind you, it's 3 bags in one. So you have your coin purse, and then we have the smaller part, and then you have the bigger part at the bottom. All of these disconnect from each other at one point or another. The strap also disconnects, and you also have the chain back here, so you can just use it this way. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is take this off. So it can be carried so it can be carried like this. Very cute. Now this one, okay, so it doesn't have any pockets or inside of this one at all. Put that right there. And then we have the coin purse. And then we have like the main big bag. And even with the big bag, I can still put this chain on the big bag right here. And in this one, there is an additional inside pocket. And then you can also take the chain and the strap off, and you can just wear it by itself. So I am in love with my bag. Now I seen the bag, I was in LA and I saw somebody with the bag, but she had the other color. I forgot what the other color is, but I really didn't like it. And I didn't like it in person either, so I was a little nervous. Like, oh my God, if that's the bag, it's a different color. But I don't like my bag when I actually get one. So I do like my bag. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back on here. Look, it is Corona virus season, year, month, whatever you want to call it. I don't have no place to go, nobody to walk around and show my bag with, but that's okay, because I'm gonna have some place to go later. I'm not a flashy person anyway, so it really doesn't matter. This goes on here. So you can wear all 3. You can just wear 2. You can just take 1. You can leave both of the chains on. You can take one of the chains off. Doesn't matter either way. It is still cute. It is still my bag. It is my bag. Okay, I'm gonna stop tripping. Okay, so let me tell y'all. Y'all don't understand. Monday, I got really, really good news. Twice. Today, my bag came. It's only Tuesday. I mean, I had been having a really good April. Seriously. And April is about to be over with, but I can't wait for what May is gonna bring. So it's just a little tag. I'm gonna put this back into my bag. I'm gonna close it back up. Put my bags back in my box. I'm gonna close this back up as well. So listen, if y'all see a bag on Louis and they sold out, call the number. Don't chat. That is what I did before. Friday, I did a chat before I called. Because when I chat, they were just like, there's nothing they can do. They don't have it. It's not available. Go about your day. But when I called, he gave me those options. So if you see a bag that you want on Louis, go ahead and call them. Ask them to hold it for you. Go ahead and pre-order it. Do whatever it is that they're asking so that you can get your bag. So this will be my officially first Louis Vuitton bag that I purchased on my own. And I'm super excited because I like it. It's not too big. It's not too small. It really just right because I don't carry nothing but my phone and a wallet and maybe some lip gloss. That's it. I never have anything else in my purse. I don't carry cash. So I don't want to do the coin purse, but I'm gonna figure it out. So thank you for coming to my channel and watching this. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm new too. So subscribe, hit that bell to turn the notifications on, like, and go ahead and also share the video. I appreciate you guys coming by, and please do me a favor. Lay y'all asses in the house. I got stuff to do this summer, okay? Wash your hands, stop touching your face. Bye. Okay. Hi, baby.
I gotta send it to Shaquila, girl. Wow. Oh, yes, with the strap, honey. Yay!
I love that strap.
That strap is banging. Okay, let me touch it.
Oh, the fuck?
Bitch, bring your ugly ass over here.